Some Aransas Pass residents are being advised to boil their well water after a potential wastewater contamination this week. It comes after heavy rainfall on Tuesday led to a wastewater overflow. Now, city officials say only residents that live within a half-mile radius of South Rife Street and West Greenwood Avenue are affected. Our Brandon Schaff joins us here to explain what city officials recommend as a solution. Brandon?
Yeah, good evening, Mike. And to be clear, this is only for people using well water. Those paying for water from the city are not affected. And city officials say that residents should do a rolling boil if they live in that area, all as a precaution in case well water was contaminated by wastewater.
The possibility is there, and if there's a possibility, we'll take any precaution just to make sure that nobody gets sick.
David Flores with Aransas Pass Public Works said heavy rainfall led to a sewer overflow. It happened at this intersection, which is close to the city's wastewater plant. That's why he said the overflow happened here, since pipes connect into one hub as they get closer to the plant.
Rainwater gets into our sewer system, and our sewer system starts to struggle from processing the waste. So that's what happened here. We had some infiltration, we had some sewer overflow.
The Texas Commission on Environmental Quality and Aransas Pass residents were notified of the potential contamination this week. Those who drink, cook, bathe, and brush their teeth with well water are encouraged to do a rolling boil when water is vigorously boiling.
Anybody within half-a-mile radius from this location, if you have a private well, we are recommending for you to do a water boil, rolling boil for 1 minute.
Larissa Rios lives in the neighborhood where the sewage overflow happened. She said streets were also flooded because of Tuesday's rain.
It was overflowed. I actually had a few friends that couldn't get out of their residence because they didn't want to hurt their car.
A program created by Flores to address overflow issues was approved by the city and will see 80 brick manholes relined a year to minimize how much groundwater gets in. Flores said Aransas Pass has 250 brick manholes, so putting a coating on them can help prevent overflow in the future.
It is very proactive, especially whenever we're going to have hurricane season coming up soon, and I would hate for something as small as this few inches of water to put us under and to think what a hurricane could do.
And 22 wells are registered citywide, but city officials estimate there are hundreds unregistered. And Flores says that well water is not regulated by the city of Aransas Pass, and residents are encouraged to test their well water at their county health department. And officials said to call ahead and estimate that the testing cost is about $25. Mike, back to you.
Okay, Brandon, thanks for that report.